You will be amazed by this 2023 Toyota Camry. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, dual zone AC, alarm, rear spoiler. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.